Good morning, dear kids. We are continuing with our same topic, that is simultaneous equation, exercise 6E, problem number 15. And it says a two-digit number is such that tens digit exceed twice the unit digit by 2. Suppose your units digit is x, tens digit is y. So what the equation says, tens digit exceed twice the unit digit by 2. So that's your equation. Clear? Further it says the number obtained by interchanging the digit is 5 more than 3 times the sum of the digits. What do you mean by number obtained by interchanging the digits? तो अब ये आपका यूनिट डिजिट ये है, ये टेंस डिजिट है, तो आपका ओरिजिनल नंबर ये है. This is the original. So when you reverse, what it will become? 10x plus y. So when you are interchanging, your new number will become 10x plus y. Clear? It says the new number obtained by interchanging the digit is 5 more than 3 times the sum of the digit. New number is 5 more than 3 times the sum of its digit. So that's your equation. You have to little bit simplify it. Take x together, y together. Once you got this, you will get equation something like this. That's your equation number 2. And this is your equation number 1. Equation number 1, this is your equation number 2. You have to solve them simultaneously and get the value of x and y. Clear? ध्यान ये देना, यहाँ पे y पहले है फिर x है, यहाँ पे x पहले है फिर y है. तो you have to rearrange your digits like that. You have to rearrange your numbers like that so that x is together, y is together, so that the elimination becomes easy. That's your problem number 15. We'll jump on to problem number 16. And it says 4 times a certain two-digit number is 7 times the number obtained by interchanging the digit. The difference between the numbers is 4. Difference between the digits is 4. As I said you, if I am taking my tens digit y and units digit x. So what is the difference? What is the first equation? It says that the difference between them is 4. So can I write it? X minus y is equal to 4, and that's your equation number 1. Equation number 2, 4 times a two-digit number. So 4 times two-digit number, 10x plus y. I have written 10th digit as y, so I will take 10y plus x. So that is your units digit. Okay. 4 times a certain two-digit number is 7 times the number obtained on interchanging the digits. So now 10x plus y. पहले 10y plus x था, अभी 10x plus y है. So this is your original number, this is the interchange number. So 4 times the original number is equal to 7 times the interchange number. Clear? From there you have to get your equation number 2. I'll open the brackets. I'll take y together, x together. From there I'll get something like this. Okay, so now this is your equation number 2 and this is your equation number 1. You have to solve them simultaneously. Clear? If you want, you can use the elimination of coefficient method or substitution method also. Problem number 17, the sum of two-digit number and the number obtained by interchanging the digits. Sum of two-digit number. So what is a two-digit number? Suppose 10x plus y. And इसका किसके साथ sum? Interchange digit के साथ. तो 10y plus x. This is the original number. This is the interchange number. The sum of a two-digit number and the number obtained by interchanging the digits is 121. if the digits of the number differ by 3, so x minus y is equal to 3. That's your equation 2. This is your equation 1. Naturally, you have to simplify a little bit this equation. After simplification, maybe you will get something like this, x plus y is equal to 11. Check what you are getting. थोड़ा सा उसको खोलेंगे ब्रैकेट्स, तो उसके बाद आपका x plus y is equal to 11 आने वाला है, and this is x minus y is equal to 3. Once you got these both equation, then the problem becomes very easy. You have to get the value of x as well as y. My dear kids, here what the question is demanding you, what the question is asking you, that matters a lot. क्वेश्चन पूछ रहा है फाइंड द नंबर, तो लास्ट में जब आपका एक्स वाई डिजिट आ जाएगा, एक्स और वाई डिजिट आ जाएगा, तो आपको उसको नंबर के फॉर्म में लिखना है. जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल मेरा एक्स का वैल्यू आया है 7 और वाई का वैल्यू आया है 4, तो हाउ आई विल राइट 74. सो फाइनल आंसर यू विल राइट द नंबर इज 74. This process of writing the answer properly, it carries 1 mark. So if you are not giving me answer like this, because question क्या पूछा है, find the number, they have not said you to find x and y, they have said you to find the number. So first you got the value of x and y, you have to put it in the form of a number, 2-digit number, so it becomes 74. Clear? Problem number 18. A 2-digit number is obtained by multiplying the sum of the digits by 8. Okay, this is a 2-digit number. Suppose 10x plus y. It is obtained by multiplying the sum of its digit. It is obtained मतलब is equal to, multiplying मतलब 8 multiply करना है sum of its digits के साथ. So that will be your equation number 1. You will simplify of course. उसके बाद उसको छोटा करके एक equation number 1 करना है. Then further also it is obtained by multiplying difference of the digits by 14 and adding 2. So यही number 10x plus y, it is also obtained by multiplying difference of the digits. मतलब x minus y को आपने 14 के साथ multiply किया और 2 reduce किया. They have said the question. If you read the question for twice and thrice, you will get to know. सिर्फ words को मैं equation form में put up कर रही हूँ, बाकी nothing else. Clear? Once you solve this, you will get equation number 2, and these both equations you have to solve them simultaneously. Okay, I'll let you know what you will get equation 1. Equation 1 को जब आप simplify करेंगे तो you will get something like this. 7x minus 2y is equal to 0. That will be your equation 1. Equation 2 को जब आप simplify करेंगे तो you will get 15x minus 4y is equal to 2. And these both equations you have to solve them simultaneously. You can use any method. Okay, your final answer should be correct. We'll start with 6F. Problem number 1. 5 years ago, A's age was 4 times the age of B. So what you will do? Present age of A पता नहीं है तो उसको रखेंगे x years, and present age of B पता नहीं है तो उसको रखेंगे y years. ठीक है. 5 years ago, अब 5 साल पहले की बात है तो क्या हो जाएगा? A की एज क्या हो जाएगी? x minus 5. B की एज क्या हो जाएगी? y minus 5. Clear? What they are saying, 5 years ago A's age was 4 times of B. A's age मतलब x minus 5 was 4 times of B. Once you solve this, you will get equation number 1. Okay. Further it says 5 years hence. Hence का मतलब होता है आगे. आगे मतलब अगर 5 years ago x minus 5 है तो hence का मतलब होता है 5 years hence का मतलब x plus 5 y plus 5. 5 साल के बाद. What they have said, 5 years hence A's age will be twice B. तो A की एज क्या है? x plus 5. It will be twice y plus 5. So that will be your equation number 2. Of course, you have to simplify this and get the standard forms, and then you can use simultaneous any method to solve and get the value of x and y. Problem number 2. A is 20 years older than B. तो A की एज पता नहीं है, x रख देते हैं. B की एज पता नहीं है, y रख देते हैं. लेकिन ये बताया गया है कि जो A है वो 20 years older than B, मतलब B से y plus 20. तो x की वैल्यू है y plus 20. यहाँ से आपके पास x minus y is equal to 20. इक्वेशन नंबर 1 आ गया. Getting my point? Further it says A was 3 times as old as B. So x is 3y. So x minus 3y is equal to 0. ये आपका आ गया इक्वेशन नंबर 2. You have to solve this and this. You have to plainly read. As I always say, say that if your English is good, your maths will automatically will be good, because there are many problems which require the thorough English. कि आप किस तरीके से आप रीड कर रहे हो क्वेश्चन, कहाँ पे आप पॉज ले रहे हो, कहाँ पे आप क्वेश्चन को समझ रहे हो, जहाँ पे कॉमा है वहाँ पे कॉमा लेना है. सो यू हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड द क्वेश्चन व्हाट इट सेज. ए इज़ 20 years ओल्डर देन बी. सो ए को x रखा, b को y रखा, तो x इज इक्वल टू y प्लस 20. दैट वॉज द क्वेश्चन फर्स्ट पार्ट सेज. एंड फर्दर इट सेज 5 years अगो a वॉज 3 times. अच्छा 5 years अगो मैंने कंडीशन शायद नहीं ली है. सो दिस पार्ट सी. ओके 5 years अगो, जैसे मैंने वो पार्ट रीड ही नहीं किया 5 years अगो, सो एंटायर प्रॉब्लम विल बी रॉन्ग. 5 years अगो मतलब a की एज हो जाएगी x माइनस 5 और b की एज हो जाएगी y माइनस 5. अब क्या बोला है, a x माइनस 5 इज इक्वल टू 3 times b y माइनस 5. यू हैव टू सॉल्व दिस एंड गेट द इक्वेशन नंबर 2. Clear? Equation 1 and 2 आने के बाद the problem becomes easy, because first 4 exercises from 6a to 6d, the entire first 4 exercises are related to solving such kind of equations. So if you do not know how to solve them, that will be again a difficult part for you. कि अगर आपके first 4 exercises ही clear नहीं है कि solve कैसे करना है, solve करना आपको आना चाहिए अभी. The only difficult part here will be to make the equations, but those also once you get into the practice you will get to know कि हम लोग equations कैसे बनाते जाते हैं. Problem number 3. 4 years ago mother was 4 times as old as daughter. So you don't know mother age, so keep it x. You even don't know daughter's age, so keep it y. And it is said 4 years ago की बात है, तो ये हो जाएगा x minus 4 y minus 4, mother and daughter. Clear? Now it is said x minus 4 mother is 4 times daughter. Solve this equation, open the brackets, get the equation number 1. Further it says 6 years later, आगे आने वाले 6 सालों में. तो जैसे ही 4 years ago था तो हमने x minus 4 किया. अगर 6 years later है तो हम करेंगे x plus 6 y plus 6. This is mother and this is daughter. 6 years later. What it says, 6 years later the mother will be 2.5 times as old as daughter. So mother x plus 6 will be 2.5 times the daughter. ठीक है. So x plus 6 is equal to 5 upon 2 y plus 6. You can take this 2 here with the bracket, multiply with the bracket and get the one linear equation. Mark that equation as equation number 2. Solve equation 1 and 2 and get the value of x and y. Clear? Okay. I have started from 15, 16, 17, 18, 1, 2, 3. Okay. 4. The age of man is twice the sum of age of his 2 children. See, try to understand. Age of man we don't know, so we'll keep it as x. He has 2 children, so one child y, other child also y. So what they have said, that age of man x is equal to sum of age of 2 children. So can we take it as y plus y? That will become 2y. So that's your equation number 1. If you take this y here, it will be something like this. You can keep this as equation 1. Further it says after 20 years his age will be equal to sum of ages of his children at that time. After 20 years, ध्यान देना, अगर x जो है वो 20 years के बाद ये 20, ये 20, ये प्लस 20, तो ये x प्लस 20 बन जाएगा और ये बन जाएगा हमारा y प्लस 40. ठीक है ना. So it will be x plus 20 will be equal to, after 20 years his age will be equal to sum of the ages of his children at that time. मतलब उसके जो 2 बच्चे थे. ठीक है. So it will be, I think it should be 2y plus 40. 2y plus 40. Am I correct with this? So you will get one equation from here. You can mark that as equation number 2 and solve both equation, get the value of x and y. ठीक है. सिर्फ बहुत सारे बच्चे 2 चिल्ड्रन हैं लेकिन उनको एक ही पकड़ते हैं y. नो, इफ़ यू आर टेकिंग वन चाइल्ड एज y years, another child as y years, so total it will become 2y. ठीक है, और आप एक को 20 साल ऐड कर रहे हो, दूसरे को भी 20 साल ऐड कर रहे हो, तो टोटल इट विल बिकम +40. सो 2y + 40 एंड व्हाट विल बी फादर्स एज ऑफ मैन x + 20. सो डोंट गेट कन्फ्यूज कि मैंने यहाँ से 40 कहाँ से लाया, तो 40 इसको भी प्लस किया, इसको भी प्लस किया ना. ओके. प्रॉब्लम नंबर 5. द एनुअल इनकम्स ऑफ A and B आर इन रेशियो 3:4. ठीक है, वी डू नॉट नो द इनकम ऑफ A, सो विल कीप इट एज x. इनकम ऑफ B ऑल्सो वी डू नॉट नो, वी कीप इट एज y. And x/y is in fraction or is in ratio as 3/4. If you want, you can cross multiply and it will be something like this. Take this 3y here, so 4x minus 3y is equal to 0. That's your equation number 1. Further it says, and their annual expenditures are in ratio 5:7. If each saves 5,000. अगर सेविंग, आपको ये पता है कि अगर ये इनकम है, इनकम माइनस सेविंग विल बी कॉल्ड एज एक्सपेंडिचर. ठीक है ना. तो अगर इनकम में से सेविंग हटा दिया तो बाकी मतलब आपका खर्चा है, तो ये ए का खर्चा एक्सपेंडिचर है और ये बी का एक्सपेंडिचर है. गेटिंग माई पॉइंट. अब इन्होंने कहा है एक्सपेंडिचर का रेशो x - 5,000 अपॉन y - 5,000 इज इक्वल टू 5/7. क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई, सो इट विल बी 7x - 35,000 is equal to 5y - 25,000. From there you have to get equation number 2. So you have to solve equation 1 and 2 and get it done. Find the value of x and y. Clear? I'll stop it here. If you have any doubt you can inbox me. और जब डाउट सेशन होगा उस वक्त के लिए भी आप बहुत सारे डाउट्स कलेक्ट करके रखिए. इफ़ यू हैव, उस वक्त पे भी मैं एक डाउट सेशन इस चैप्टर के एंड में रखूँगी एंड देन वी विल शेयर ऑल द डाउट्स. ओके, गॉड ब्लेस.